Here's a 1973 Chevrolet Camaro. Now this particular car does have an S in the second digit of the VIN, so it would be an LT. Underneath the hood, 427 has been installed in this car. No, in 73 you would not have been able to get a 427. It's not the original engine, but it does have a 427 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a ratchet style shifter on it. Equipment, power steering, power brakes. Engine also has headers, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, dual cooling fans. It's a nice little power plant underneath there. As you can see, it's riding on the rally style wheels, VF Goodrich radials. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that underside, check out the interior engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. Does have a functional cowl induction hood. As you can see, the paint looks good in the videos. There are some touch up on this car. Paint is, I would say, a little bit older, but I can kind of point out some as you go. You're going to see a few little spots like this where there has been some touch up around the driver's side, passenger side. Now, as far as the color of this would be medium orange, and it is a 97 paint code car, so this is the correct color for this car. As far as the exterior, another little spot, there's some spots like this that have been touched up. So paint not perfect on it, but still shows well. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Great view on these from the rear of the 73 model year tail lights. That Z28 badging would have been added, that representing is a Z28. Dual exhaust, nice sounding car. We'll start it up here in a second, let you hear it run, and check out that engine bay, check out the interior. There's been a few aftermarket gauges added to it, stereo, tastefully done. We're going to check that out here just shortly. Again, pictures, check out the underside engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, once again, the number 507-386-1726. Give us a call. Played around a little on the interior as far as options on this one also, and wipers do work as an aftermarket stereo installation in there. Here is the A-pillar gauge I was talking about, oil pressure and water temperature. Did notice even the clock worked. Door panels, black buckets, console. Like I said, there's that ratchet style shifter. Headliner in this one, also in nice shape. Some dome light works. Let's go ahead and fire this up. People hear it run here. Alright, so working tach, water temp, oil pressure. Fuel gauge went up to half there. Here's that's working. Volt's also moved. Clock down there. Kind of tough to see the second hand, but the second hand is moving. I had to double check and see what it is. Check out the dash, also appears to be in nice shape. Other than the aftermarket radio, which is a nice installation down here. You see a choke was added there also. Everything appears to be stock as far as the dash, other than the stereo and the A-pillar gauges. Alright, slip around the back so you can hear this one run. So a rumble coming out of that 427 underneath the hood. Alright, I'm going to slip around up to the front and pause this video a second. Let you guys get a look underneath the hood at the engine bay. Alright, here we go. Hood pop. 427 V8. Power steering, power brakes. Again, HEI ignition you can see there. A nice chrome dress up. Valve covers. Air cleaner cover. And again, aluminum radiator, headers, dual exhaust. And that is paired with that turbo 350 automatic transmission. Of course, cowl induction hood. So there you have it, 1973 Camaro. Medium orange color car originally. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Checking out the still pictures down below this video in the description. There's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.